CBS ArcSafe is pleased to introduce the RRS-3 VCPR, a remote racking device designed to work exclusively with Eaton Cutler Hammer VCPW medium voltage circuit breakers. There is no reason for locally racking a VCPW breaker, which places the worker inside the arc blast zone. The VCPR is a fully self-contained unit weighing approximately 35 pounds. The racking unit can be powered from 120-volt power or from onboard batteries. The patent-pending racking head is made of stainless steel. A high-quality low-light video camera is positioned for viewing the breaker position and position indicating flag. Installing the VCPR is quick and straightforward. The racking motor is controlled from the handheld video display with the operator positioned up to 50 feet away. The video screen displays a bar graph which indicates the amount of torque that is being applied to the racking mechanism as well as the direction the breaker is being moved. The movement of the breaker in or out is clearly seen. A full racking cycle takes approximately 90 seconds. When the breaker reaches its full in position, the red position flag becomes visible. The racking motor will sense a stalled condition, at which time the motor will reverse the racking screw approximately 1/8 turn to relieve the tension on the racking mechanism and then stop. Removing the racking head is as easy as installing it. The RRS-3 VCPR is easily and safely carried up or down stairs. At the end of the day, the unit stores in minimal space. For more information about the RRS-3 VCPR, place an order, or explore other CBS ArcSafe products, visit chickenswitch.com or call 1-877-472-3389.